Hi, everybody. I'm Adam. It's Sunday night, but I really didn't want to wait any longer before I showed all of you the latest from StateBacked, our backend as a service centered around state machines. So today, I want to go from signing up to deploying to production in just a couple of minutes. So first, I've designed this state machine visually. I'm going to come in and export our code. So I'll copy this. I'm going to jump back over to StateBacked, and here I'm going to sign up for a new account. All right. I have an email. Let's make a new org. And now I think it's time to create a new machine. So I'm going to make a new machine. We're going to call it our onboarding machine. Oops. Onboarding. And I'm going to come in here and just copy and paste the machine that, oops. I'm going to copy and paste the machine that I just designed. And I'm going to take a look over here at my authorizers. These look reasonable. I'm going to go ahead and build this project. So now we're taking this machine that I built visually, and we've created a bundle that I can deploy to StateBacked. So I'm going to go ahead and deploy it. We're going to call this version 0.0.1. Let's deploy. So I've downloaded a zip file with all my code, and now this is live on StateBacked. So let's go ahead and make an instance of this machine. And typically, you'd be creating instances and sending events, listening to events from your front-end code. We can do all of this from our UI, which is something that we're just releasing now. So let's create an instance. So let's call this instance Adam, or user123. And I'm going to create an authorization context. So this would be the claims about my user that would normally be included in my request. So I'm going to say that I'm user123. Let's go ahead and create this instance. So now I've created an instance of the machine that I just defined. And I can see, here's my current state. I'm in this intro state. Here's all of my context. I can see a list of all the transitions. I can come in here and send an event. So again, I'm going to specify I'm user123, and I'm going to send the next event. And I can see that in my transitions, that's now updated. So my states transition from the intro state to the what's a PRD state. Let's go ahead and send another event. User123. I'm going to send type next. All right, and I can take a look at my transitions again. You'll notice over here in actions, you can actually upgrade existing instances. So you can deploy new versions of this machine. You can upgrade your existing instances between different versions. And again, you can do all of this from your front end with real-time subscriptions as states get updated from any client anywhere in the world. I can also come in and take a look at my logs. So I can see all of the logs from the machine that I now have persistently running in the StateBacked backend. So that's all I wanted to show you for today. We're at only a couple minutes into this, and I've already taken a state machine, deployed it to production, created instances of it, and sent it events. And I can see kind of all of the operational metrics that I really care about. So if you're interested, take a look at statebacked.dev, and feel free to try out our free plan. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.